Welcome to Autolink, your hub for revolutionary automotive ideas, groundbreaking tech, and thrilling upgrades. Today, we're diving into uncharted territory, exploring the captivating concept of an engine swap in the futuristic Tesla Cybertruck, a feat that challenges engineering norms and rewrites the playbook of automotive performance. The Cybertruck is already a marvel, featuring Tesla's all-electric tri-motor setup that delivers up to 800 horsepower and accelerates from 0-60 mph in under 3 seconds. But what if you swap that electric heart with a conventional internal combustion engine, a roaring V8, or perhaps even something hybridized for a blend of old-school muscle and modern precision? An undertaking like this raises both technical and philosophical questions. Engine swaps have traditionally been about enhancing performance or extending a vehicle's life, but for a Cybertruck, you're going against the grain of electrification itself. The challenges are immense. Tesla's drivetrain and architecture are purpose-built for its electric system. Swapping to an engine would require custom mounts, a new drivetrain, extensive rewiring for controls and displays, and perhaps most significantly, a creative workaround for Tesla's digital systems, which are intricately tied to its electric identity. Still, for enthusiasts, the prospect of giving a Cybertruck the growl of a supercharged Hellcat V8 or a meticulously balanced twin-turbo V6 could open doors to a new world of customization. How would a naturally aspirated engine mesh with the Cybertruck's sci-fi design? Could it retain its heavy-duty, towing capabilities and incredible payload capacity, which are seamlessly delivered by its all-electric motors? Or would a diesel engine bring fresh functionality for off-road adventures? Beyond practicality, the concept is a provocative symbol, a cultural collision of analog and digital, old and new. While such an upgrade would undoubtedly alienate purists who admire the Cybertruck for its electric ethos, others might see it as an art form where cutting-edge design meets the raw power of combustion engines. And of course, Tesla's instant torque will always be hard to replicate, even with the fastest shifting dual-clutch transmissions. But the question lingers, could an internal combustion Cybertruck spawn an entirely new niche for customizations? One that allows people to marry the surreal design of Tesla with the mechanical soul of a traditional powerhouse. The aftermarket scene could see the birth of specialized kits, blending technology from racing giants and boutique tuners to make the unimaginable real. Imagine taking this creation to car meets, track events, or desert rallies, the fusion of two automotive universes, sparking endless conversations. While this swap is an engineering fantasy today, it beckons us to think critically about the future of car culture. Whether you're a fan of electrification or horsepower-driven nostalgia, there's no denying the thrill of dreaming about what could be. Thanks for joining us at Autolink, where the boundaries of automotive innovation are constantly being reimagined. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.